But I keep things around here pretty chill, so the kids can create the next big idea that will give you the tools to become the next generation of heroes. We hope you have a great time on your visit to the Worldwide Engineering Brigade Open House. And now, our project lead, the brilliant... Peter Parker!
Hey, what's up? I'm Peter Parker, and here at Web we get access to some pretty awesome tech, like Vibranium from Wakanda, or this crazy alien juice stuff. We have Pym Particles and Stark Tech. It all helps us develop really cool stuff, like these spider rockets, for example. Check it out, they have this really cool self-replicating feature.
Because?
Because it's awesome. Buddy, you can stop doing that now. But anyway, you guys are here today to help us test the web slinger vehicle. Using onboard tech, you will be able to sling webs just like my buddy Spider-Man.
Peter, your presentation is getting away from you.
Yeah, I'm aware of that, Sharon. If you could just initiate the safety protocols, it'd be greatly appreciated.
Problem with that,
so
Peter.
Anyway, if you want to sling a web, all you gotta do is sling your arm in the direction you want to shoot the web, and that's it.
Peter, your spider bots are continuing to replicate and are consuming everything in their path.
They seem to be stuck in self-replication mode. If you could just handle that for me, please.
On it. Contacting Mr. Stark.
Don't call Mr. Stark! Don't call Mr. Stark. Sorry, you shouted. You should just call somebody else, ask them to do it.
Okay. Contacting Spider-Man.
I'm gonna go find Spider-Man for us all, because he's down here somewhere. Okay, goodbye. Spider-Man!
As you may have noticed, the spider bots are locked in that awesome self-replication mode. In spite of what you see, they were created to be robotic helpers that can break down raw material and create all kinds of useful tech. But because they are stuck in self-replication mode, the spider bots are currently consuming everything in sight and multiplying at an alarming rate. If left unchecked, my calculations predict this will lead to the devastation of the entire Avengers campus. We'll sure be safe until Spider-Man gets here, as long as they don't get into the alien fluid. This is now a bigger problem. Activating threat level protocols.
Hey guys, what's up? I hear you have a bug problem. I'm here to help.
You made it. Great. Threat level is of exponential danger. You might need some help. Perhaps I'll call the Avengers?
Don't worry, everyone. I got this. Okay, everybody. Open house is canceled.
Wise idea.
But I can use some help.
Yes, you could.
Sharon, prep the Slinger vehicle.
Already on it.
Everyone head to the Slingers and we'll team up to stop the spider bots before they destroy the campus. It's easy.
Okay, you have a plan. Please quickly through the doors and down the hall to the Slinger vehicle bay. You'll only have semi-electric upgraded to a high-tech.
Right hand side, go all the way down in that hallway. Don't forget to pick up a pair of web vision glasses. They're located on your right-hand side and your right-hand side only.
Activating motion tracking, assigning individualized color profiles, web triggers calibrating. You there, Spider? We did, but I'm detecting unstable flats ahead.
Containment again, right?
Sorry. Giant monster survived. But those chain reactions did help.
Wait, the green bots explode. If we intentionally hit those green bots, maybe we'll trigger a chain reaction.
I think you're right. That should stop them.
Well, we couldn't have done it without them.
That was also your idea.
Hey, it's Peter. Looks like you guys and Spider-Man really saved the day.
Correct. Downgrading threat level to don't tell Tony.
Actually, better tell Tony.
I think that's a wise decision, Peter. For your safety, please remain seated. Reinforcements, remain seated inside the transport. Thanks for attending our open house presentation and preventing the destruction of the world as we know it. Please collect your wits and any personal belongings as you exit the vehicle. See you later.